Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have the best Lenovo 65W AC wall adapter on our hands. This charger is perfect for Lenovo laptops, specifically the IdeaPad series. Let's dive into all the features and benefits of this product. The 65W AC charger power cord is compatible with a wide range of Lenovo laptops including IdeaPad 3, Flex 5, S340, S145, 100s, and many more. It provides a maximum output of 20 volts and 3.25A, making it a powerful and efficient charger. The connector size is 4.0 by 1.7 millimeters, ensuring compatibility with your device. Fast charging. This charger is known for its quick and efficient charging capabilities. Built-in protection chip ensures the safety of your device while charging. Portable, compact and easy to carry, perfect for traveling or on-the-go use. Satisfaction guaranteed. Backed by a 1-year replacement warranty, so you can purchase with confidence. Compared to other Lenovo chargers on the market, the 65W AC charger power cord stands out for its compatibility, performance, and affordability. It is a reliable option for anyone in need of a quality charger for their Lenovo laptop. In conclusion, the 65W AC charger power cord for Lenovo laptops is a top-notch choice for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient charger. With its fast charging capabilities, built-in protection chip, and compact design, it is the perfect companion for your Lenovo laptop. Don't hesitate to grab one for yourself and experience the convenience it offers. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.